Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Begin by planning the model to match a Toyota Supra silhouette. Decide a 1/12 scale for desktop display. Count roughly 200 pieces and sort them by type: Technic beams, pins, plates, slopes, and body panels. Prepare a 32x32 studs base area and a 6-stud long Technic chassis frame to set wheelbase and overhangs. Gather wheels 24 mm diameter, axle pins, 2 windscreen pieces, hinge elements, and panel curves. Lay out parts in labeled trays for faster assembly and reduce searching time. Construct a rigid Technic chassis first, using cross beams and 6-stud wheelbase spacing to match proportions. Reinforce the center with 2 parallel lift arms and secure with 4 long pins. This prevents sagging. Install axle assemblies and fit 24 mm wheels. Add an optional differential gear if you want rolling drive. Build a compact Mach inline-6 engine block using 8 round studs, 2 1x2 grille tiles for headers, and small piston elements for detail. Leave mounting points for the body and roof panels. Shape the body by attaching curved panels, slopes, and hinge plates to recreate the Supra's front bumper, bonnet, and rear haunches. Secure each section with hinge pins and clips. Create the cockpit with 2 bucket seats, a 6-stud wide windscreen, and a simple dashboard using tile pieces. Apply decals for lights and logos, then spray a light clear coat for protection. For display, mount the model on a 200 mm x 100 mm stand, and add 30 to 50 grams of ballast in the rear to achieve a realistic stance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.